Hey guys! No, I'm kidding, I'm not Chris Fix. Anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know, and kind of, this is going to be more of a short video, so I want to let you guys know that these lights still do work, even after, I think I made a video about 2 years ago or so of the brake light fix on this 87 Camry. So let's go ahead and turn that on, and then we'll pump the brakes a few times. And if we go back, I'll show you guys what the wiring looks like still. Okay, so remember it was back here on this driver's side, back corner. Okay, there's our fix. We still have good fuse. See if we can, yep, still have a good fuse. I think I only put like a 15 amp in there. And then still runs from that green. Let's see if we get these on the, here we go. From those two green wires is where we have our splice. And everything still seems to work. You know, just tuck it back there for good measure. And it's been 2 years. So everything still works. Right now I'm kind of fighting a starter. So I'm going to rebuild another one and then we'll take a quick picture of that. Let's see if it does it. Okay, so when we go to start it, it kind of has this little hesitation like that. So I am going to rebuild the starter, put new brushes in it and stuff, and I'll show you guys that after a while here. But for right now, I wanted to give you guys an update on this little guy here and tell you that it's still working and still working properly and still have brake lights. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw that, but in the corner there, that light is still on for the lights. So let's turn that on real quick. Oh man, I just realized I was covering up the holes. Hope it's not too bad. Yeah, so we'll start it. And the lights are still on. Yeah, so the light does stay on, but I mean, that's a small price to pay for at least having brake lights and having a drivable car. All right, guys, see you in the next one.